Art Cafe Shashi.
Mira was a little girl who loved colors bright, bold, and beautiful. Her favorite place in the world was her mother's garden, where marigolds, sunflowers, and little lime green leaves danced in the breeze. One sunny day, Myra told her mother, "I want a dress that looks just like your garden." Mama smiled. "Then let's make it petal by petal." They chose 3 colors, yellow like the sunflowers, green like the leaves, and orange like the marigolds. They added little orange flowers near the collar, green leaves along the hem, and a big yellow bow on the back. When the dress was finished, it looked like sunshine, springtime, and happiness stitched into one. Mira put it on and skipped through the garden, her dress fluttering with every step. Butterflies followed her as if she were one of the flowers. "It's like wearing a garden," she laughed. And from that day on, whenever Myra wore her yellow, green, and orange dress, she carried a piece of the garden's magic with her.